While taking photographs in dim light from your digital camera or smartphone camera, we usually take help of flash. But sometimes photos get ruined due to appearance of red eyes. So let's go to know the reason behind this. Now as we know, lights make us to see the world around us. Light rays goes through cornea and pupil of eye to focus on retina, which receives light focused by the lens and it converts the light into neural signals and send these signals to brain for visual recognition. Now when camera flash bursts, the pupil of the subject's eye don't get time to contract. Then as a result, huge amount of light enters inside eyes of subject and reaches the retina, then reflect back and captured on camera. The red color in eye is observed due to rich blood supply of choroid, which is a layer of blood vessels and connective tissues that supplies outer retina with nutrients and nourishment to the eye. Now if you want to know what is red eye direction feature in cameras, you can check out the above link. And I wish this video was helpful to know about why red eye effect happens in photos.